Alright guys, I'm excited about this one. Really excited. This is a very cool item. And I haven't unboxed it. I've had it for a couple days because I really wanted to unbox it with you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a product from a company which I have been always liking, Origin. Love their products, quality, made in America without compromise. Pretty much the quality. This is what I like. This is just the invoice. So these jeans are not cheap, but I expect to have very high quality. And this is their Delta 68 denim jeans. Pretty much like a salute and like respect for the Navy SEALs in Nam that traded in their, I don't know what their gear would be called, the OCPs. In the Air Force they're called OCPs, but for them they switched out their military gear for denim, so they could fight way easier in the jungle of Nam. And just by opening I can tell they're super stretchy. Look at this, super stretchy. I have another pair of their jeans, their factory jeans, which is this is like the total opposite of their jeans. Their factory jeans, the factory jeans do not stretch, but these are like made to stretch. Look at this, I can already tell. Let me see, they are very thin too, so I hope there isn't no quality issues there. And like the stitching right here, triple stitch right there. Their button, very nice. And I've heard with their zipper, it doesn't open unless you unlock it here. So unlocked and locked. So that's kind of a really cool thing. You don't want your zipper down in public. Let's see. Grown and sewn in America. Made in Maine. This company is from Maine, so they're really cool. Everything is made in their home state of Maine. So pretty much no compromise. Everything is made in the US. These are really interesting. I like this too. These are like double loops. That way, like if you bend down, that way you don't, show your butt. And this is there. Oh, this is actual leather, so this is really nice. A leather loop right here. A leather patch, I'm sorry, with Origin. You can put your belt under there, over it, whatever you want. Very nice quality. So you can see even the stitching there. It's all made in the US. What I wanted to compare with these, because these feel so stretchy, I have my other pair of jeans. Let me kind of fold these up a little bit. Kind of right there. Let's leave that there. And I wanted to compare I have some of my favorite pair of jeans, American Eagle. And I kind of wanted to see the stretch and kind of see how they compare. The back pockets, this is one thing I find weird about Origin. Their pockets, they make them small. So if you guys can see them together, this pocket's huge. I can fit all my hand in there. But this one, I don't know why they do it this way. I know they say, I guess it's more ergonomic. So when you come around with from this side, from your left hand, it's kind of supposed to be angled so you can squeeze your hand in there. But the fact that these are wider, I prefer the wider than these. This is one of the things I find weird about them. And it can't stretch because of the stitching. So it's kind of weird. Even though they do fit well, or even though this fit well my hand, but I don't know. I just like this one. See, this one doesn't have as much stretch as the American Eagle. So American Eagle definitely has more spandex in these. Let's see, and these I believe are more boot cut, so they're more wider at the bottom. Yeah, they look about the same kind of. But yeah, as far as stretching is, the American Eagle, they're actually really nice, and I feel like they will not rip. So I gotta try these out and see how much stretch I can get out of these. But still, the zipper, all the buttons, the stitching, the quality, the triple stitching. This one has double. For the price, honestly, you can't beat an American Eagle jeans. But these, I kind of feel like they're gonna last forever. So these Delta 68 stitch, it's really nice. Right there, really nice, even from the inside. just to salute to the Navy SEALs in Vietnam. They're really nice. Honestly, I can't really say much more. What other distinct quality? Pretty much quality pair of jeans, origin made in the US. These will most likely pretty much have them for the rest of my life. And that's pretty much it, guys. You want quality pair of jeans, but with this weird pocket for some reason, but everything else is exceptional. I like this. You put your belt in there, double straps, bend over, it's gonna hold on really well. Pretty much that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a weird video comparing these jeans. These are some of my favorite. I like their designs. So maybe later on, if Origin can come out with like some interesting patterns, like these are kind of cool because they have it kind of like ripped in there. But yeah, these are pretty much work pants, quality, very high quality, and they're not cheap. These are probably like $50. These are over 100. So hopefully they last for the rest of my life. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one. I'm excited, guys. These are quality jeans. Put them up to the challenge against these because these American Eagle, they've been really good to me, honestly. No complaints. Go ahead and fix this up real nice. Need a good thumbnail. But hopefully these hold up to the test. I'm going to wear them tomorrow. Been so excited to wear these. And the stretch, I got a good feeling. I'm going to beat the crap out of these just like these. I'm sure they'll stand the test. Because look at this. The stitching is like really nice. That's it. Take care.